Here's the thing, if you're a working professional and you're not utilizing the power of LinkedIn to expand your career opportunities and to network, then you are missing out, my friend. In this video, you'll learn 6 steps to help you build a professional LinkedIn profile. And if you stay around until the end, you'll learn where you can access a free LinkedIn mini course. If we've never met before, I'm Heather Austin from ProfessorAustin.com and the Career Club on Facebook. And on this channel, I provide simple solutions to help you grow a business or launch a career you love. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell notification down below so you don't miss a thing. LinkedIn is considered the world's largest social network for working professionals. Now with almost 600 million users, LinkedIn is the perfect place to develop new connections, network for new job opportunities, and even write articles. So let's jump into how to create a great LinkedIn profile. Step number 1, optimize the top half. The top half of your LinkedIn profile is by far the most important. This is where hiring officials and new connections will go to learn more about you. To optimize the top half of your profile, include a professional headshot that shows you from the elbows up, and then include a catchy industry-specific headline that tells others what you do and what your specialty is. Follow this with a well-written summary that includes who you are, who you help, and how you help them. Now, here's the cool thing. I have a playlist that goes into detail about each of these items. I'll go ahead and link that playlist up below. Step number 2, include relevant experience. The experience section on your LinkedIn profile will be formatted a little bit different than on your resume. You don't want to just copy and paste from your resume. However, you do want the 2 sections to mirror each other. Rather than using bullet points to explain what you do or what you did, add a personal touch with a paragraph written in first person. You want to outline your main responsibilities and what your key accomplishments were in 2 to 4 sentences. Here's the cool thing, relevant work experience can also include volunteer experience. Volunteer experience is a great way to show how you give back to your community. And in fact, it's been reported that 41% of employers value volunteer work as much as they do regular work experience. Step number 3, add your education and training. Your education section can really help you stand out, especially if it directly relates to the position you're applying for. It gives a hiring official a better understanding of your background. Here's a good rule of thumb when it comes to your education section. If you are more than 5 years out of high school and have an undergraduate degree, you don't need to list your high school on your LinkedIn profile. To make your education section really shine, add activities and societies that you belonged to, such as fraternities, sororities, or even extracurricular activities and clubs that you participated in. You can also use the description area under the education section to add awards and honors or even committees that you served on. And as a special note, LinkedIn also allows you to add licenses and certificates. This is the perfect way to showcase your skills with your credentials. Step number 4, add keyword-specific skills. The skills section is the perfect way to showcase your talents, your abilities, and your strengths as a professional. LinkedIn allows you to add 50 skills to your profile. Use a combination of hard and soft skills to let others know what you do best. Soft skills are things that represent your personality and behavior, like communication, leadership, and teamwork. Now, although these skills are necessary and important, employers really like to see tangible skills like hard skills. Hard skills are based on your education and experience. They are things like graphic design, accounting, project management. You want to list your most important skills first, and you can reorder your skills based on a certain category and feature your top 3 skills. Step number 5, add special accomplishments. The accomplishment section on LinkedIn allows you to showcase other important areas of your life, such as publications, courses, projects, and even languages. This is a great way to turn up the heat on your LinkedIn profile and lets others know that your experience and education aren't the only reason why they should want to get to know you better. And if you're looking for a step-by-step tutorial on how to use LinkedIn, I created a video just for you that I'll go ahead and link below. Step number 6, request recommendations. Recommendations are the perfect addition to your LinkedIn profile. They validate your special skills skills, your expertise, and most importantly, how well you work with others. Reach out to colleagues, managers, teachers, and leaders in your network and request a recommendation from them. Now, here's a special tip. If you're not getting the feedback you hoped, compose a recommendation for the person that you requested one from. Chances are they'll return the favor. Now, if you want to take your LinkedIn profile to the next level, take a look at LinkedIn Liftoff. It's a free 5-day mini course that will help you develop the most important sections on your LinkedIn profile. I'll go ahead and link it up below. And if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button down below. Make sure you share this with anyone you know that might benefit. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.